Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be creating this adorable 3-dimension orchid pattern for my standard. This pattern is made of magic ring, basic chain and double crochet. It's so easy and it's suitable for all crochet level, including the beginners. So kindly watch this video to find the detail of this pattern, and if you are new to these channels, don't forget to click subscribe button. Okay, now let's get started and happy watching. The material I used for creating this pattern is milk cotton yarns, a crochet hook number 6, 2 buttons, a tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. The first stitch you need to do is to make a magic ring by twisting the working yarn into your middle and ring fingers. Then use the crochet hook to grab the working yarn out, then complete the magic ring. Okay, the first stitch of this magic ring is counted as the first chain, so now make 3 more chain, 2, 3. This means that there are 4 chain in the magic ring. Then make 7 normal double crochet. The first 4 chain is counted as first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then work chain 3 and make 1 single crochet in the magic ring. Okay, the first pattern is ready. Now you need to fasten the yarn by pulling out the yarn tail. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make the second pattern. Firstly, you need to make chain of 4, 3 chain is ready. Now 1 last chain, so it becomes 4. Then turn the work and make 7 double crochet in the chain space, 7 normal double crochet. The first 4 chain is counted as first double crochet, so you need to add 7 more double crochet to complete this second pattern. This is 3 double crochet, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then make a chain of 3 and 1 single crochet in the same space. Now make another chain of 4 to make the third pattern. Then make 7 normal double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You don't need to make chain of 3 here, but you need to make another 6 double crochet in the body of the previous double crochet. Okay, you need to make like this, then grab the yarn and make 6 double crochet in the body of this last previous double crochet. This is 1 double crochet, 6 double crochet in total, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then counter stitch back and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet you make in the body of the last double crochet, or in the 6th double crochet from hook. Okay, make a slip stitch here. Okay, now make chain up 4 and make 1 single crochet behind this 6 double crochet exactly in this stitch. You can easily find it when you make this. 1 single crochet. Then this is what it look like. Have a look. Okay, now make chain up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work and make 7 normal double crochet in this chain space. Now make chain of 3 and 1 single crochet in this same space. Then make chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 7 normal double crochet in this space. Firstly turn the work, then make 7 normal double crochet in this chain space, just like before. Then make 6 normal double crochet in the body of the previous double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just like before, then make slip stitch in the top of the 6th double crochet from hook. You can count it like this. You can now make a slip stitch to form a bud pattern. You also can see the stitch from behind. Okay, now yarning over and complete this stitch. Okay, the second orchid pattern is now complete. Now make chain of 4, and make 1 single crochet behind this 6 double crochet. This is 3, and now this one is 4, and then single crochet. Now chain out 4 again, then the work and make 7 normal double crochet in this chain space just like before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then chain out 3 and make a single crochet in the same space. It's very easy, isn't it? Then chain out 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the work, 7 normal double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, followed by 6 normal double crochet in the body of the last previous double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make slip stitch on the top of the 6 double crochet from hook. You can count it like before. Okay, now the third orchid pattern is complete. Now this is what it looks like. Then make chain of 4 and 1 double crochet behind this 6 double crochet exactly inside this stitch. Okay, yarning over and complete this stitch. This is what it looks like. You just need to repeat the same stitches to make more orchid patterns until you get the desired length. Okay, I got the length I wanted. Let me count how many orchid pattern I have just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 orchid patterns I have just created for this master standard. For the last part, I will make chain of 4, then the work, and it followed by 7 normal double crochet in this chain space just like before. chain of 3 and 1 single crochet in the same space, and the last one, chain of 4, then the work, and 7 last normal double crochet in this chain space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the last part. I will make chain of 3 and 1 single crochet in the same space, followed by chain 16, chain 14. You can make 16 or 14, but I will make 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and one last one last single crochet in the same space. So now this beautiful orchid pattern master standard is complete. Now I will cut the yarn. This is what this adorable pattern looks like. Finally, sew on the buttons. Now this adorable orchid pattern for master standard is ready. It looks so adorable. I believe that you can make this pattern yourself. You can even make it better than this one. Well, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have something to say about these patterns, feel free to leave your comment in the space below. Thank you so much and happy crochet!